Hello, everyone. Welcome to a new Financial Eagle session. Hi, Miguel.
Hello, Lama. Hello, everyone. So let's start with the US 30. Okay, let's remove this. Here, as you can see, we had a big weekly, guys, push. Okay, big bullish push. That's great. Then it broke it. It broke the last high, the historical high, and made a new historical high. Okay, so now we might expect this candle to be a retracement. And so we will be looking at, okay, but we are pushing big time bullish. So we will see how the market will be reacting. And you look on the daily, look at this big push, look at this retracement, small. I told you about this candle, guys. We might even, if the Dow did this only one, it's gonna be bullish. And even if it broke it up again, it's gonna, that's a retracement. Okay, if you remember, I showed you like the ones before, all this big push, look at those retracements. So there is volume with the bullish move. So now I'm gonna be like waiting for a break of this high, okay? Or even wait, no, let us put 4 hours. I'm gonna show you the 4 hours. That's why on the Discord we talked about not taking it before the new 1 hour open, okay? To have like the confirmation for it. Okay, for the buy, if I'm gonna take it from this area, okay, it's gonna be forming like with the bullish momentum, with the bullish trend. We're still in the bullish trend, okay? If we broke this again to continue the bullish trend to retest it, we might even retest here the high. So let's see how the push is gonna be. But if we broke this area, pushing up, that's gonna be like forming like a double bottom after like a big push and then bearish. It made it. Okay, here even, yeah, we still respecting in a kind like the market structure. Okay, here like it's a bit lower, but then like it pushed. But if we continued, it's gonna be like that's like like a retracement, a push down. Okay, to continue the push to reverse again. So let's see the close of the candles, how it's gonna be this close. That's a good rejection. But now we have the F1C.
ما انتبهت أنا.
You're unmuted, Lydia.
Sorry.
No.
It's
Uh,
okay.
روق. So breaking this area, I'm gonna like start taking my buys, okay? Like start securing on those because if it pushed again like as a consolidation, we might consolidate and then reverse, okay? But we will see those. Nothing is accurate until now. It might even open, wake up, and then start to continue the bearish move, okay? But we need to see. That's why watch the candles. See on the daily. Look on those candle close. Okay, let's see this candle, how it's gonna close. The second one opened like wick down and then breaking up. We will see it's gonna be like, it might be a good opportunity to catch it. But let's see the close. Let's see the close. Okay, as for the sell, I'm gonna keep the same sell I sent. Okay, we will send all everything in the numbers. Okay, then the 4 hours. So breaking here again, making a new lower lows. That's gonna start to look at it for a continuation as bearish. Okay, that's why we have two scenarios because now it's in the middle. Okay, we will see breaking this even as kind of head and shoulder plus the last higher lows it did as the market structure and pushing down like that's gonna be even a good sell. Okay, let's wait. Let's see the confirmations we need, how the market is breaking, how the candles are forming on the daily 4 hours, 1 hour. Check it out. Okay, and then we see which like scenario is gonna be good for it. Okay, so that's it for the Dow. We go for gold. Okay, let's put the weekly on gold. Okay, look, we're reaching new highs. That's a big bullish. And you know, fundamentally how it works, the gold. So on the weekly, look, we had the bullish push, sorry, retesting those highs. Okay, it closed on, up, on them above those bodies. Okay, this candle opened, like started to push up before continuing the push down. So now we will see this daily even. Look, long term, always. Weekly, it's long term. Daily, you take it, you can take it as a day trade, as 2 days, 3 days, you know. So always combine the time frames. Here, as you can see, look at those candles. After a big bullish push, okay, the candle started to close like as a reversal. That's on the daily. That's the trade we was talking about. Okay.
Miguel, يلا you can unmute بس because I muted everyone. Sorry, I'm a little bit sick. I can't talk.
سلامتك.
Thank you.
No worries. Okay, so yes, that was a good push as a reversal look on the daily. And that you saw it, guys. You saw it. Like that's 210 pips. That's a day trade. And akid you secured, you took your profit, and that's a day trade. On the weekly, you leave for long term. Okay, it's different. We will see even on the weekly how it's gonna be forming. If it formed like a double top after all this big bullish, but we will see fundamental even, because every time something happened, the gold push like crazy. Okay, so let me make this on the daily for the buy. It's far a bit now. We will see here how it's gonna be, and I put it far because I don't have any like any reversal seeing it from this area. Okay, so I put it far. We will see where we can catch a buy, like another. Okay, as for the sell, I'm gonna wait even on the daily to break. That's the low of the daily. I need it to be broken, but for sure on the 4 hour, I prefer not one candle breaking it one way. Okay, always wait a retracement, let it retrace. Like, yeah, that's a good retracement to take it as an intraday. After a big like bearish push and then retrace a bit, and then if it continues, you can catch it from like lower areas, as I'm saying intradays, okay? From lower areas and securing on those areas. That's 40 pip, that's 90 pip, okay? Your second technique. So that's how you work with it. And always when you watch, guys, like when you focus on one pair, okay, you will understand the volume and this pair, how it works, how it pushes, what it shows. And not all the pairs like do patterns, not all the pairs do like everything, you know. Every pair it's different than the other. So always that's why focus on 1 to 2 pairs maximum, follow them, and if they make you money, that's more than enough. You don't need more. Okay, so that's it for the goal. Like, we're gonna be waiting. Let's see this daily candle how it's gonna be on the 4 hours better retracement before pushing down. Okay, we go for GJ. Crazy GJ. Remember what I told you guys about those buys? I was catching the GJ as an intraday. All those areas, guys, all not on the weekly side. Look at the 4 hours. All those areas. That's the GJ is working perfectly. Super perfect. It's still too much pushing bullish. If you look under like this weekly, guys, that's a bullish, great trend. Okay, now we're like on this high, on the previous high. Okay, if you go on the daily, it is pushing too much. But look at those. Look at this big push. That's a retracement. Look at this close. Beautiful. Again, open, like pushed up, breaking. Look at this, guys. Look at this. That's again a new buy. I took it yesterday. Wait, let me show. It was a bit lower. I didn't catch it from this area. My first entry, I executed it from this area. Okay, you see, look, that's a bullish push. It retraced, okay, and then this candle closed bullish. This candle opened wick, like it made a wick down, and then breaking the previous both, and then closed above. If even you didn't take it on this 4 hour, okay. This candle opened even if you didn't take it in this. You was afraid. You take it from this. Look how many opportunities. Okay, I catched my trade from the first 4 hour, this 4 hour, when it respected the low, high, low, high, low. When it respected it, I took it. Okay, and now it's floating one. That's 80. Like the last high it did, it was like 90 pips. Okay, so GJ is working perfectly. Now what I need to look at, Akid, that's, this, I don't want to lose this one. You saw, that's the buy I'm gonna be waiting, breaking the last highs. Okay, but Akid not with, again, blue candle breaking, I'm not gonna take it. As I tell you always, the market, how it works. Look, 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 all retraced, new opportunity, retracement, new opportunity. Okay, so here let it retrace. As much as it retrace, I will be looking at it. How you saw this confirmation, how you saw this confirmation. Look, okay, look at this candle, small body after a bullish push. Look at this rejecting. Look at this open wick down. Even it respected this low and then pushing. You can catch it here or here. That's again a good entry. Okay, so now I need a retracement, like those retracements, before continuing the push up. Okay, to confirm it, to confirm that it's not gonna like even reverse from this area because it's been pushing like too much. Okay, so that's how I confirm it. Look at this. Okay, guys, so my buy I told you about, put the 4 hours. Look at the 4 hours, look at the chart. Look at the chart. So I need the same like those as a retracement and then pushing up. You put your Fibonacci. Okay, look at this. That's like this the golden zone. If it kept pushing one way to this area and I saw a reversal here, that's a great entry to catch it. Wait, why I text Tajin? Okay. That's a great entry to catch it with the Fibonacci plus retesting on the last high it did. Like it broke, it retested on the last high. Okay. But don't like wait for it. If you saw a good reversal confirmations like this on like 0.3 even, okay, that's the 0.3 over here. If you saw like retrace and then start to reverse, catch it. Okay, don't be scared. Catch like your trade and your TP over here, and then you continue with it. Okay. So that's it for the buy for GJ. For the sell, nothing. That's too far because there's nothing to put right now. There's nothing confirming that we will push down. Okay. So let's wait. The sell is gonna be far for now. Let's wait. If we saw a good opportunity as a sell, we will put it like higher. Okay, we go for the euro on the daily. Even the euro, I don't have any sell for it right now because look at this. Look at this bullish. Okay, bullish push. So nothing indicate for me that it's gonna like change the trend from this, like until now. Okay, if we broke here like the trend and then like retraced, made a lower high, then pushing down, yes, that's where you catch you. You can confirm that there will be a sell. Okay. As for the buy, look at this area. Okay, I need it again to break and continue the bullish push. Okay, because here the candles, look at this candles. There's nothing shows that it's bearish. Look at those candles, small bodies, even here, a lot of fix and small bodies. So nothing like confirmed for me now for the sell. Okay, the buy I needed, I told you to break again the last high to continue. Always, I walk with the market, catch like your trades, bet with the market, not against the market. Okay, so on the lower time frame, nothing shows. I don't even like this to take any sells right here. If it pushed here like this for hours and then retesting again, okay, on this even area, it might not retest here. Okay, look at this area, it's a strong area. We will see how it's gonna be. Okay, so that's it for the euro. Lama, you do GU.
Yes, but I want to ask also, Norman, if you want to share your insights on gold.
Yeah,
Do you
sure.
want? Okay.
Hello. Okay, let me share.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me start from start. I will explain you all you guys how I take trades, how I enter it. Okay. You just don't need to ask me in the group that I should enter it, I should not enter it. You should not don't need to ask me. If I send this analysis, you should enter it. You don't need anyone's confirmations. Okay, I have back tested it from 2 to 3 years. Don't need to worry about. Let's start from weekly. Okay, weekly has we can see weekly we have been bullish, and there is some sort of rejections over here. We can look for retracement, and we go for daily. We should mark our resistance, support. Okay, this is our support. We have one more support. We have one more support. Okay, this is our resistance. Even we have here support. See, this support broke this level and went up. Okay, let's go for 4 hour. This is what today I was been explaining. See, we have support over here. Okay, it broke this support and eventually it came down. But you can exit your trade over here because we have support over here. Okay, let's go for 1 hour. Let's say today we didn't open anything. Okay, let's say that today I was waiting for the trade 1 hour. We have support over here. I just posted you guys just like this, same as JAD, like this. What does I told over here is potential buy, potential sell. Okay. Okay, no trade zone. Just what I said is when this breaking of this level, you can look for you can look for sells. Okay, this is what happened. See, London session, London session was consolidation over here. It was very bad consolidation. Okay, see, very bad consolidation. breaking of this level, we took a sell. How? Because I need this wicks to be clear. Okay. Here I will take a sell. This wicks to be clear. Sometimes what happens is when price comes to this level, when it comes to these levels and this if this wicks sittings over here, buyers are sittings over here, it can push very hard to upside. Okay, this is what happened over here. See, it made a wick again, it went back. This is what I don't need to lose this much. Okay, see, I don't want to lose this much. 10 pips, I don't want to lose it. Okay, we have to wait for the volume. Okay, see, exactly at 10 a.m., 10 a.m. volume came and it broke this level. You can eventually take a sell. See, very big move. But we should not expect everything to go down. Take at one step. See, 900 points is just enough for us. See, in morning session, before that session, I took small trade over here, breaking of this support. Let me clear this. Okay, in morning, I just marked over here potential sell, breaking of this level. I took just in percentage short. This was the short trade I took like this. This was my exit and this is me. I took this trade on breaking of this resistance level. I sorry support level. I took it. I got 30 points. I just got exited. This is how I take a trade. You don't need to ask, are you in? Are you in? You don't need to ask it. Okay. This is what I am
Numan,
explaining.
I have a
Ah,
question for you.
yeah.
Can you go back now to the morning session when you took on London session the sell on 15
I
minutes,
didn't.
right?
Uh,
Here the
when?
sell. Wasn't it a little bit
Yeah.
like risky?
Yeah. It was risky because why it was risky? Why I took this trade because it was consolidating from London session.
Okay, so
Very
breaking
bad
will be like,
consolidation.
yeah,
This breaking will be very good for me.
I
This is why
see.
I took. You see, okay, let's see it. Let's edit this. Let's say why did I exited over this trade? We have support over here. See, we have support
Yes.
here. Lots of rejections over here. Here is rejections. We have here rejections. So I get out. That's it. I don't need 100 pips. I just need 20 pips or 30 pips or 10 pips. That's enough for me for the day.
Yes. Okay, thank you.
Oh, thank you. Anyone would like to ask something?
If also anyone has any question, you can ask us. Also, you can
No,
ask
ma'am.
no.
I have a
Ah,
question. How do you
yeah.
put your stop loss?
Previous
Because
week. Okay, let me tell you. This is see. Let's go for okay. Let's go for yesterday's trade. Okay, today was really risky trade. I don't want to recommend today's trade. Okay, let's go
yeah,
for
by the
yesterday's.
way, yesterday your trade, I took it and I gained 40 pips out of it.
Yeah. Okay. Congrats. Okay. Yesterday, Tuesday, right? It was PM. It was okay. Let's say buy. Okay. Let's say we have a buy. See, this was the trade yesterday's, right?
Okay.
Okay. See, this candle, we have resistance over here. Okay, we have support over here. Okay.
Okay.
See, see these rejections. It has been retested 2 more times. Okay. One time over here. It created resistance, then it broke the resistance. Okay, it broke in this level. This was my trade. Long. I will wait for this candle to close in my range. This is my range. Okay. This
Okay.
is my range. This is my range. 600 pips. This is my range. Okay. It closed in my range. The candle has been closed in my range. I want this candle to make a wick. After this make a wick, I will take a trade breaking of this wick. Like this. See? Like this. I will keep my stop loss. I will see my stop loss is very big. I will go to this stop loss. Like 14 pips. 14 pips stop loss with 500 with 50 pips profit. I don't want this 50 pips. I can't wait for more than, I cannot risk my brain more than 30 minutes. That's why I take it on 15 minutes. See, 15, 15. 2 candles, I'm done. I'm out for 40 pips. I'm out for 40 pips. I don't want this to take this all those things. Because I have seen, I have lost because of waiting all those things. Okay. This is what I was expecting yesterday. I was just always make sure that when you take a trade, always clear your stop losses like this. This way. Wrong this way. When I take a trade, see, it went in my favor. It went in my favor. I closed this trade because we have rejections over here. See, we have rejections over here. It can push this backward. This is why I closed 50% of my trade over here. And then I waited and I closed full of my trades over here. That's simple.
Okay.
In gold, when we are tracing the support and resistance level, we won't take the wicks. No, we have to take the wicks consideration. Okay, wicks are very important. Okay, see, this wick helped us to move up. See, it moved up. We just have to wait for this wicks to fill. When you take, there is no closing in this range. You have to wait for this wicks. Whenever, see, in this wicks, what just happened over here is, see, price went up and came back. Okay, I just waited to candle to close in this range, and next it has to close in my range. It closed in this range before this wick. That's why this trade was very good. I think this was the easiest trade. This was the easiest trade. See, again, you can see on this is Asian session. See, it closed.
So it closed below the resistance.
Yeah, that's what I was explaining. It
But
closed
but
in this
it
range.
but it made a wick up the candle after. So you
Yeah,
take
right.
it at the break of the previous candle.
See, we have resistance over here. Whenever you see resistance over here, you can see there is some sort of retracement.
Exactly.
Resistance over. See, you just need to go ahead and mark all these lines. That's it. You will get to understand how you should take a trade. See, there was a wick over here. Okay, there was a wick over here. Okay, it closed in our range. We can consider this as a sell. Okay, if it does not close in our range, but it breaks this wicks, we can take a sell. Okay, this is what you can see over here. This is what happens over here. See, it did not close any candles in this range, but it broke this wick. You can take it sell, but this only works on the high volume times, not every times. When the market is slow, it doesn't work. We have like 8 p.m., like 8 a.m., 7 a.m. New York Times, like
And
3 a.m.
Do you consider the opening of New York session and London session?
Oh, yeah. London session, New York session is good. Even Asian session is good for gold nowadays. One more you can add up over here is one more you can add. DXY. You know DXY is a US dollar index.
Yes, exactly.
This is what I was expecting today. I was looking at 4 hour. See, price was breaking very hard over here, but gold was going up. When it was breaking this high, I was looking at gold. It was going like backward. Backward. I thought this is manipulation. It can eventually come down. See, whenever dollar is in uptrend, gold has to be in downtrend.
Yes,
See,
exactly.
this is what
You,
happened.
you said
It was
something that the volume, you mentioned something on Discord. We will see a move like
yeah.
half an
Yeah.
hour
This is
half an hour before this big short happened.
yeah. I saw this one. I saw this one. There is nothing new. There is nothing. Everything is in the market. See, I just saw this and I just told you that we can expect very big move over the sell.
Because I checked on the news, there was no news, so that's why I was like, why he's saying this? That's why.
Yeah.
Okay.
You need just experience, you will get it. Okay. This is
Hmm.
what I was expecting to. But I didn't took this trade. I closed my charts at 9:30.
Oh,
But I closed my charts at 9:30. Then I come up on 10 o'clock. It moved very, very bad. Okay, it's okay here. Opportunities comes every day. You don't have to take care of it. Okay.
yes.
Any? Okay, someone. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Muhammad.
Sorry, I'm not a good teacher.
Thank you, Norman. Okay, so I will share now my screen. 1 second here. Okay, so today mainly we had stagnation, and I didn't find any opportunity. When we were in the morning, the trade happened fast at 10 a.m. Dubai time because we had news on the GBP that made a big bullish move. During the day, because of the news, it was not like I couldn't find any opportunity. That's why I didn't send any study. I checked you see the stagnations here. So it was like stagnating for a long time, made a wake up or a move up because of the news. Then here also news affects this down move. I think it was during the afternoon news. I forgot which one, but I think during this time period, or maybe here, yes, I think around this time in the afternoon, 6 or 4:45, we had this down move. So I prefer to stay away from the market. I was trying to see an opportunity, but it's okay. A few people took the buy and they made profits according to yesterday's study. For today, so we are here. I can show you that we have the Elliott wave formation. We are still respecting the wave 3 going up. And now, let's see tomorrow, mainly we are still going up to see if it reached this price before. Yes, it reached this price before. So there is a potential that it will still go up. Okay, so that price was in July 2023. So I think now during the summer, the GBP goes up. Anyway, so mainly I will prefer to see tomorrow the market, how the market will open. And of course, according to that, if I have a wick down and the candle is going up, it will be my buy opportunity. And mainly we need to check here from here. Okay, this is my new resistance line. And also here might be like the support line, or even with this one. Let me remove the old studies. Okay, so let's see what will happen tomorrow, how the market will be moving, and we can have a better look for the market, for the orders. Okay, if you have any question, you can ask me on the GBP.